The given table shows the composition of inspired and expired air in humans. The percentage of nitrogen in expired air is नाइट्रोजन की परसेंटेज इंस्पायर्ड एयर और एक्सपायर्ड एयर में सेम रहती है. दैट्स वाई ऑप्शन बी 79% इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ऑक्सीजन की परसेंटेज डिक्रीज हो जाती है एक्सपायर्ड एयर में और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की इंक्रीज, जबकि नाइट्रोजन की सेम रहती है. दैट्स वाई ऑप्शन बी 79% इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In the human respiratory system, the structure X warms and filters the inspired air, whereas the structure Y is associated with the gaseous exchange. The option which correctly identifies the structure X and Y is structure X, nasal cavity. As you know, nasal cavity is divided into two portions by a wall. Each portion is lined by fine hairs and mucus, which filter the dust particles from the air. The mucus warms the incoming air and keeps its temperature nearly equal to that of the body. Structure-wise alveoli. As you know, alveoli are tiny sacs located at the end of the respiratory tract in the lungs that allow inhaled oxygen to enter the bloodstream and carbon dioxide to leave the bloodstream with exhalation. That's why option A is the correct answer. Structure X is nasal cavity and structure Y is alveoli. Means option A is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following physiological conditions can block the upper respiratory passages in the human respiratory system? As you know, glottis is a narrow opening at the floor of pharynx which leads into larynx. The glottis is guarded by a flap of tissue called the epiglottis. If epiglottis swollen severely, then it can block the upper respiratory passages. That's why given options में से जो correct answer है वो है option A, that is severely swollen epiglottis. Means option A is the correct answer. Next question. Given are some of the features of an organ involved in the breathing mechanism of humans. It is located below lungs. It is composed of skeletal muscles. It contracts and relaxes while breathing. Based on the given features, this organ is identified as located below lungs. हमने identify किया. गिवन ऑप्शंस में से जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज डायफ्राम. ऑप्शन सी डायफ्राम इज द करेक्ट आंसर. In the human respiratory system, gaseous exchange takes place between the given options में से जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज alveoli and capillaries. Means option A, alveoli and capillaries is the correct answer. In the human respiratory system, gaseous exchange takes place between the alveoli and capillaries. Next question. The respiratory disorder in which bronchioles become inflamed and narrow is given options में से जो correct answer है वो है option A, that is asthma. As you know, asthma is a form of allergy in which there is inflammation of the bronchi, more mucus production and narrowing of the airways. That's why option A, asthma, is the correct answer. Next question. In the human respiratory system, the function of epiglottis is to given options में से जो correct answer है वो है option D, that is prevent the food particles from entering the trachea. Means option D is the correct answer. The function of epiglottis is to prevent the food particles from entering the trachea. Means option D is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is correct about the change in the pressure and volume of thoracic cavity during exhalation? Pressure increase होगा thoracic cavity में in exhalation और volume decrease होगा. हमारे दोनों correct answer Option B में थे. That's why B is the correct answer. As you know, after the gaseous exchange in lungs, the impure air is expelled out in exhalation. The rib muscles relax, bringing the ribs back to the original position. The diaphragm muscles also relax and it gets its raised dome shape. This reduces the space in the chest cavity, that is thoracic cavity, and increases the pressure on lungs. The lungs contract and the air is expelled out of them. That's why given options में जो correct answer है वो है option B, that is pressure in thoracic cavity increases, volume of thoracic cavity decreases, means option B is the correct answer. The process of breathing involves, as you know, the term breathing is used for the process through which animals take air in their bodies to get oxygen from it and then give out the air for getting rid of carbon dioxide. Breathing is only the mechanical or physical process of exchange of gases. That's why given options में से जो correct answer है वो है option A, that is inhalation and exhalation of gases, means option A is the correct answer. Option B, diffusion of oxygen into blood cells. Option C, breakdown of glucose in body cells. Option D, movement of gases from blood to alveoli. Incorrect. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is the correct difference between respiration and photosynthesis? Option B, it takes place in animals only. Incorrect. It takes place in all organisms. It produces oxygen gas as a byproduct. Option C be incorrect. It requires oxygen gas as a reactant. It occurs in the presence of darkness only. Incorrect. Respiration in presence of light भी होता है, हर वक्त respiration होता है. तो जो हमारा करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज इट इज अ कैटाबॉलिक प्रोसेस. इट इज एन एनाबॉलिक प्रोसेस. रिस्पायरेशन में ग्लूकोज ऑक्सीडाइज होता है और फोटोसिंथेसिस में ग्लूकोज सिंथेसाइज होता है. दैट्स व्हाई ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The part of the respiratory system of human beings which is responsible for the production of sound is the, as you know, the larynx is a box made of cartilage. It is present between pharynx and trachea. It is also called the voice box. Two pairs of fibrous bands called vocal cords are stretched across the larynx. The vocal cords vibrate when the air passes through them. The vibration produces sounds. That's why given options में से जो correct answer है वो है option B, that is larynx, which is responsible for the production of sound, means option B, larynx is the correct answer.